To use Apple CarPlay / Android Auto module, press 8 here, and then you can to use Apple CarPlay wirelessly, right? Don't press here, but you go to settings, okay, and then go to wireless CarPlay settings. So this is what is needed if you want to do it for the first time. Okay, so here you select this cover and connect devices, and here you look for this CX. Okay, CX. Press and then pair, and also make sure your Wi-Fi is on and allowed. So use CarPlay. And then here we'll connect to the Apple CarPlay wirelessly. And in here, in CarPlay, you can just scroll and use your Waze. And on the come out back to here, split screen. So this way it shows Waze and so on, and yeah, so other apps you can use like Google Maps and so on. And want to go back to the main menu screen, press main menu here. Okay, come to here. So what if you want to use your iPhone to watch YouTube?
We're ready to roll.
So you
Drive
can
safe.
just plug in the USB cable.
Meters, at the roundabout,
okay, we are still
take the 4th exit.
Okay, to connect to the screen mirroring, right? So take the USB cable, okay, plug into the USB ports provided by the module, and just plug in here. Okay, after that, go to mirroring here and plug in the cable. Plug in the cable. Then it will just automatic do the mirroring. So let's say you want to watch YouTube, just have to open up YouTube and play.
Looking for the best deals on hotels and homes? Download the Agoda app today.
So you can watch YouTube, okay, by doing mirroring. So let's say you want to come out from mirroring, right? So you don't just unplug the cable. You should press the back button, okay, on the controller to come out here. After come out to the mirroring function here, then you can unplug the cable. All right. So here, what is the next thing that you can do? You can also play USB media, okay? USB media means use a pen drive to plug into the USB port. Then you can watch music, you can watch videos, you can listen to music under this USB media. And okay, so how do you, and you want to see the front view, just press front view. So this one provided if you install the front cameras. Okay, and let's say you reverse. Let's say you are in this screen, you reverse, then it shows a reverse camera. So this one provided that you have installed is the camera. So you go to D, then it shows front. Okay. So of course you can set the front view display time under here. So I'm going to show you. You can set it under here. Go to settings, then advanced features. So here, this is where you can set the front view display time. So maximum is 10 seconds. Okay, so we're going to come up from here. So now I'm going to show you how to connect to Android Auto. Okay, so to use Android Auto, same thing, go to the settings here. And then this time select wireless Android Auto settings. Alright, and go to the pairing. So here, I just have to turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, turn on my Bluetooth. So, and then select the CX. Okay, select this one, CX. So it's quite similar to an Apple CarPlay connections. So here, pair. Select pair. So make sure your Wi-Fi on the phone is on as well. So make sure Wi-Fi is on as well. Okay, then this way you can connect to the Android Auto. So here, just have to press continue. Bluetooth connections. So right now, you have your Android Auto. Okay. So use Waze on Android Auto. So here, let's say come up to the screen here. Select this one. Alright, and you want to go back to the screen outside, just select exit. Alright, so let's say you want to use mirroring functions for Android Auto. So just select mirroring, and then the same thing. Just use the phones. Okay, this time you need to plug in the cable for this Android cable. Okay, so just plug in. So we're applying the cable now. Okay, and then here go to mirroring. Okay, go to mirroring. Press mirroring and plug in the cable this side. So here, then here just have to select this one, connect to determine, select allowed, and then start now. So here you can basically use same thing. So let's say I want to watch YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So same thing as you can watch YouTube. Okay, so come here, your channel. So let's say watch other video, let's say this video. So same thing. Okay. And let's say you are done the mirroring, just have to press back on the iOS controller, then come back to here. Alright, so that's all the settings. Thank you.